Hey, intermediate algebra. So, two cons to do today. Neither of them are overly difficult at all. First one, slope from an equation. So, they're going to give you an equation similar to this one right here. And so you're going to see when I get an equation like that, I like to put these, if I'm trying to find the slope of this line, it's easiest for me to put this in y equals mx plus b. By the way, if I'm going to put this in y equals mx plus b, then I like my y coordinate to be on the left side of the equation. So you're going to see I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm just going to simply put the 3x or 3y plus 5 on the left side, and then I just put the 4x minus 1 on the right side. So I flip-flop them just because it's easier for me. Then I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Then when I get down to this step, I'm going to divide everything by 3. So I've got y equals 4/3 x minus 2. Don't care about the minus 2 because all we want up here, if you remember right, is what is the slope of the line. The slope is the number in front of the x of 4/3. So that would be letter B in this case. Let's do another one here. So this one is given to us in standard form. Okay, so again, it's easier for me to find the slope if I'm in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to get the y by itself. So my first step is to subtract 8x from both sides, so I did that to here. Then divide everything by -6, and negative divided by a negative is a positive. So my answer would be a positive 8/6, but I could probably simplify that to a positive 4/3, which would be letter A right there. So you're just kind of getting these into slope-intercept form if you need to. Next one. Now this one, what is the slope of each line? They gave you this in slope point form, if you remember that one. So because it's in point slope form, we know the slope is the number in front of here. So we don't have to do any work. It's just letter C is our slope for this one. It's nice when they give it to you in slope point form or slope intercept form, which they didn't on any of these. All right, that shouldn't take you too long. Next one, linear equations from any form. So I like to, if I'm being honest, I like to either put them in y equals mx plus b form or in point slope form. If they give you the y-intercept like they did right here, let's put them in y-intercept form. So we know the y-intercept is at a positive 3 right here. My slope went up 1, 2, 3 over 2, so my slope is 3/2, and there's my linear equation from it. Okay? If they give it to you, but they do not give you the y-intercept, then I like to take and find one point, the coordinate of one point. I like this region up here where it's a positive, positive. So this one here is over 1 up 2, so the coordinates are 1, 2. I then plug into the point slope form where I go the y minus the y coordinate, which is 2, equals my slope. The slope is how much did it go from here to here? Up 2/3, so rise of 2, run of 3, 2/3. And then I've got the x minus the x coordinate, which in this case is 1. And that would be my equation of the line. Pretty simple. Hey, that's all I got for you guys. You got two cons to do today. I'll see you over on Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.